Are you struggling to move beyond basic Python classes and truly master the power of object-oriented programming? In this video, we will cover Python Advanced OOP practice questions and detailed explanations. Master the complexities of Python object-oriented programming with this comprehensive practice exam. In this video, we dive deep into 30 advanced Python OOP questions covering everything from metaclasses and descriptors to abstract base classes and complex inheritance patterns. This is designed to mirror the actual certification environment. Before we begin, make sure to grab a notebook and pause the video after each question to test your knowledge. Which method is responsible for the actual creation of a class instance in a Python metaclass? Option A, ___init___. Option B, ___new___. Option C, ___call___. Option D, ___prepare___. The correct answer is B. The ___new___ method is the first step in instance creation. It is a static method, even if not explicitly marked, that returns a new instance of the class. In the context of metaclasses, ___new___ is used to create the class object itself, whereas ___init___ is used to initialize the created class. ___call___ would be invoked when the class is called to create an object, and ___prepare___ is used to create the namespace for the class before it is defined. In Python's multiple inheritance, what algorithm is used to determine the method resolution order? MRO. Option A, depth first search. Option B, breadth first search. Option C, C3 linearization. Option D, Dijkstra's algorithm. The correct answer is C. Python uses the C3 linearization algorithm to determine the method resolution order. MRO. Since Python 2.3, this algorithm replaced the old depth first search to ensure that subclasses always precede their parents and that the order of parents listed in the class definition is preserved. It prevents issues like the diamond problem by ensuring a consistent and predictable search order. For methods, what is the purpose of the __slots__ attribute in a Python class? Option A, to allow dynamic addition of attributes at runtime. Option B, to restrict the creation of instance attributes to a fixed set to save memory. Option C, to define private variables that cannot be accessed outside the class. Option D, to speed up the execution of methods within the class. The correct answer is B. By default, Python uses a dictionary, __dict__, to store instance attributes, which consumes a significant amount of memory if you create millions of objects. __slots__ tells Python not to use a dictionary, and instead allocate space for a fixed set of attributes. This results in significant memory savings and slightly faster attribute access, but it prevents the dynamic creation of new attributes not listed in __slots__. To implement a data descriptor, which of the following combinations of methods must be defined? Option A, only __get__. Option B, __get__, and __set___. Option C, underscore underscore get underscore underscore and underscore underscore delete underscore underscore. Option D. Either underscore underscore set underscore underscore or underscore underscore delete underscore underscore. Along with underscore underscore get underscore underscore. The correct answer is D. A descriptor is an object that defines any of the methods underscore underscore get underscore underscore, underscore underscore set underscore underscore, or underscore underscore delete underscore underscore. If an object defines underscore underscore set underscore underscore, or underscore underscore delete underscore underscore, it is considered a data descriptor. If it only defines underscore underscore get underscore underscore, it is a non-data descriptor. The distinction is important because data descriptors always override an entry in an instances underscore underscore dict underscore underscore, whereas non-data descriptors can be overridden by an instances underscore underscore dict underscore underscore. How can you prevent a class from being instantiated in Python, requiring it to be used only as a base class? Option A. By naming the class starting with an underscore. Option B. By using the add_abstract method decorator on at least one method from the ABC module. Option C. By raising a not implemented error in the underscore underscore init underscore underscore method. Option D. By setting underscore underscore metaclass underscore underscore equals none. The correct answer is B. Using the ABC module, you can define a class that inherits from ABC. If you mark one or more methods with the add_abstract method decorator, Python will prevent the class from being instantiated. Any subclass must override all abstract methods before it can be instantiated. This provides a formal way to define interfaces in Python. Which built-in function is used to check if an object is an instance of a specific class or a subclass thereof? Option A, type. Option B, is instance. Option C, is subclass. Option D, hasorder. The correct answer is B. Is instance. Object. Class info. Returns true if the object argument is an instance of the class info argument, or of a direct, indirect or virtual subclass thereof, while type returns the exact type of an object. Is instance. Is preferred for type checking because it accounts for inheritance, which is a fundamental principle of OOP. What does the add_class method decorator do to a method? Option A. It makes the method private. Option B. It passes the instance self as the first argument. Option C. It passes the class CLS as the first argument. Option D. It allows the method to be called without any arguments. The correct answer is C. Add_class method transforms a method into a class method. A class method receives the class as an implicit first argument, usually named CLS, just like an instance method receives the instance self. This is particularly useful for factory methods that create class instances using different parameters than the underscore underscore init underscore underscore method. When should you use the add_static method decorator? Option A. When the method needs to access instance attributes. Option B. When the method needs to access class attributes. Option C. When the method does not require access to either the instance or the class. Option D. When you want to prevent the method from being overridden. The correct answer is C. A static method does not receive an implicit first argument, neither self nor CLS. Use at static method when you have a piece of logic that belongs to the namespace of the class but is independent of the state of the class or any specific instance. It behaves like a plain function but is logically grouped within the class. What is the difference between underscore reaper underscore and underscore str underscore? Option A. Underscore str is for developers. Underscore reaper underscore is for users. Option B. Underscore reaper underscore should be unambiguous. Underscore str should be readable. Option C. Underscore str is called by the reaper function. Option D. There is no difference. They are aliases. The correct answer is B. Underscore reaper underscore is intended to provide an unambiguous representation of an object, ideally looking like a valid Python expression that could recreate the object. It is used by developers for debugging. Underscore str is intended to be readable and provide a user-friendly string representation of the object. If underscore str is not defined, Python defaults to using underscore reaper underscore. In Python, how is name mangling achieved to protect a private attribute? Option A. Adding a single leading underscore adder. Option B. Adding a trailing underscore adder. Option C. Adding double leading underscores adder. Option D. Using the @private decorator. The correct answer is C. When you name an attribute with at least 2 leading underscores and at most 1 trailing underscore, like underscore mangled, Python internally changes the name to underscore classname underscore mangled. This is called name mangling. It is meant to prevent accidental name clashes in subclasses, rather than being a strictly enforced access modifier like private in Java or C++. What is the result of calling type? Option A. Less than class type greater than. Option B. Less than class object greater than. Option C. None. Option D. Error. The correct answer is A. In Python, type is the metaclass for all classes, including itself. This means type is an instance of type. This circular relationship is the foundation of Python's type system, where everything is an object, and every object has a type, and every type is an instance of the type class. Which method is called when an object is about to be destroyed, garbage collected? Option A. Exit underscore. Option B. Stop underscore. Option C. Del underscore. Option D. Close underscore. The correct answer is C. The del underscore method is known as a finalizer. It is called when the object's reference count reaches 0 and the garbage collector is ready to reclaim the memory. Note that del underscore is not guaranteed to be called immediately or at all in some circumstances, like program exit. So for resource management, like closing files, context managers, underscore underscore enter underscore 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 exit underscore underscore are preferred. Which methods must a class implement to support the with statement? Option A. Underscore underscore start underscore underscore and underscore underscore end underscore underscore. Option B. Underscore underscore open underscore underscore and underscore underscore close underscore underscore. Option C. Underscore underscore enter underscore underscore and underscore underscore exit underscore underscore. Option D. Underscore underscore init underscore underscore and underscore underscore del underscore underscore. The correct answer is C. The with statement works with context managers. A context manager must define the underscore underscore enter underscore underscore method, which sets up the context and optionally returns an object, and the underscore underscore exit underscore underscore method, which handles cleanup, even if an exception occurs. This is the standard way to handle resources like file handles or database connections. What is the primary advantage of using the @property decorator? Option A. It makes the code execute faster. Option B. It allows a method to be accessed like an attribute. Option C. It prevents any changes to the attribute. Option D. It automatically encrypts the data. The correct answer is B. The @property decorator allows you to define getters, for instance attributes. This means you can call a method using attribute access syntax, e.g., obj value instead of obj.get underscore value. This allows you to add logic, like validation or lazy loading, to attribute access without changing the interface of your class. What is the has a relationship in OOP commonly known as? Option A. Inheritance. Option B. Polymorphism. Option C. Composition. Option D. Abstraction. The correct answer is C. In OOP, composition represents has a relationship. E.g., a car has an engine. This is in contrast to inheritance, which represents an is a relationship. E.g., a car is a vehicle. Composition is often favored over inheritance because it leads to more flexible and decoupled code. Which design pattern ensures a class has only one instance and provides a global point of access to it? Option A. Factory. Option B. Observer. Option C. Singleton. Option D. Strategy. The correct answer is C. The singleton pattern restricts the instantiation of a class to a single object. In Python, this is often implemented by overriding the underscore underscore new underscore underscore method to return the same instance every time, or by using a metaclass or a decorator to manage the instance. What does the underscore underscore prepare underscore underscore method in a metaclass return? Option A. A list of attributes. Option B. A dictionary or mapping to be used as the class namespace. Option C. The class object itself. Option D. An instance of the class. The correct answer is B. Underscore underscore prepare underscore underscore is called before the class body is executed. It must return a mapping, usually a dict, that will be used as the local namespace for the class definition. This is useful if you want to use an ordered dict to preserve the order in which class attributes were defined. Standard dicts do this by default in newer Python versions. But __ prepare _ remains for advanced use cases. What does super do in Python 3? Option A. It returns the parent class object. Option B. It returns a proxy object that delegates method calls to a parent or sibling class of the type. Option C. It calls the __init__ method of the direct parent. Option D. It restarts the method search from the base object class. The correct answer is B. Super doesn't just call the parent. It returns a proxy object that uses the MRO to find the next class in line. In multiple inheritance, super might actually call a sibling class rather than a parent, depending on where the current class sits in the MRO. This ensures that every class in a complex hierarchy is visited exactly once. Which Dunder method allows an object to be called like a function? Option A, __run __. Option B, __execute __. Option C, __call ___. Option D, __init __. The correct answer is C. If a class implements the __call ___ method, its instances become callables. This means you can use parentheses on the instance, e.g., my _obj, to execute the logic inside __call __. This is useful for creating objects that maintain state between calls, acting like functions with memory. What is a mix-in Python? Option A. A class designed to be instantiated directly. Option B. A class that provides a specific set of features for other classes to use through multiple inheritance. Option C. A method that can accept any number of arguments. Option D. A way to combine two dictionaries. The correct answer is B. A mix-in is a small class that provides specific functionality to other classes via inheritance but is not intended to stand on its own. They are used to share code across unrelated classes without creating a complex hierarchy. They usually don't have their own __init__ that requires state. Which of the following is true about __get_attribute__? Option A. It is only called if the attribute is not found in the __dict__. Option B. It is called for every attribute access, regardless of whether the attribute exists. Option C. It is a non-data descriptor. Option D. It is used to delete attributes. The correct answer is B. __get attribute ___ is the low-level method for attribute access. It is called every single time an attribute is accessed on an instance. This is different from __get ___, which is only called as a fallback if the attribute is not found through normal channels. Overriding __get attribute ___ is powerful but dangerous as it can easily lead to infinite recursion. Can an abstract base class, ABC, have concrete, implemented methods? Option A. No. All methods must be abstract. Option B. Yes. It can have both abstract and concrete methods. Option C. Yes, but only if they are private. Option D. No. ABCs cannot contain any code. The correct answer is B. ABCs can contain concrete methods that provide default behavior for subclasses. Subclasses can choose to use these concrete methods or override them. The only requirement is that the subclass must override all methods explicitly marked as abstract method before it can be instantiated. What is the purpose of the vars function in Python? Option A. To list all local variables. Option B. To return the __dict__ attribute of a given object. Option C. To create new variables dynamically. Option D. To delete all attributes of an object. The correct answer is B. Vars obj is a built-in function that returns the __dict__ attribute for a module, class, instance, or any other object with a __dict__ attribute. If called without arguments, it acts like locals. It is a convenient way to inspect the state of an object. Which Dunder method should you implement to support the == operator? Option A, __cmp__. Option B, __===. Option C, __EQ__. Option D, __same___. The correct answer is C. To define the behavior of the equality operator, ==, for your objects, you must implement the __EQ___ method. Other comparison methods include __nay__, not equal, __LT__, less than, __la__, less than or equal, __GT__, greater than, and __GE__, greater than or equal. What is duck typing in Python? Option A, a way to check if an object is a subclass of duck. Option B, the practice of relying on an object's methods and properties rather than its explicit type. Option C, a method of encrypting class names. Option D, a specific type of multiple inheritance. The correct answer is B. Duck typing is a concept related to dynamic typing, where the type or the class of an object is less important than the methods it defines. If it looks like a duck and quacks like a duck, it's a duck. In Python, this means we don't check for is instance, obj, list, single quote, but rather does it have an __iter ___ method? Single quote dot. How do you specify a metaclass for a class in Python 3? Option A, by setting __metaclass__ equals my meta inside the class body. Option B, by passing it as a keyword argument in the class definition. Class my class. Metaclass equals my meta. Option C, by inheriting from my meta. Option D, by using the @metaclass. My meta. Decorator. The correct answer is B. In Python 3, the syntax for specifying a metaclass changed. You now include metaclass equals in the list of base classes in the class header. This is cleaner and more explicit than the Python 2 method of assigning a value to the __metaclass__ attribute inside the class body. What is operator overloading? Option A, calling an operator too many times. Option B, giving extended meaning to built-in operators so they can work with user-defined types. Option C. Using the same variable name for different operators. Option D. A way to speed up mathematical calculations. The correct answer is B. Operator overloading allows you to define how built-in operators, like plus, dash, asterisk, slash, equals, behave when used with instances of your own classes. This is achieved by implementing specific Dunder methods like __add __ for plus, __mul __ etc. It makes user-defined objects behave more like built-in types. Which method returns the length of a container object when len is called? Option A, __count __. Option B, __size __. Option C, __len __. Option D, __length ___. The correct answer is C. The built-in len function calls the __len __ Dunder method of the object passed to it. It should return an integer representing the number of items in the container. If __len __ is not defined, calling len will raise a type error. Which pattern is used to attach additional responsibilities to an object dynamically? Option A, decorator pattern. Option B, proxy pattern. Option C, facade pattern. Option D, bridge pattern. The correct answer is A. The decorator pattern allows behavior to be added to an individual object dynamically, without affecting the behavior of other objects from the same class. In Python, this is often implemented using the @decorator syntax, which wraps a function or class with another function class to extend its functionality. What makes an object an iterator as opposed to an iterable in Python? Option A, it has an __iter ___ method. Option B, it has a __next ___ method. Option C, it has both __iter ___ and __next ___ methods. Option D, it can be used in a for loop. The correct answer is C. An iterable is any object that defines __iter __, returning an iterator. An iterator is an object that defines both __, next __, returning the next item or raising stop iteration, and __, usually returning itself. This is known as the iterator protocol. All iterators are iterables, but not all iterables, like a list, are iterators. A list returns a new iterator object each time __iter ___ is called. That concludes our 30-question deep dive into advanced Python OOP. How many did you get right? If you found this helpful, please give the video a like and subscribe for more advanced Python content. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the full practice exam and certification guide. For the full 100+ question practice set and detailed study guides, check the link in the description below.